YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. I am at Coach, and I thought I would give you a tour of some of the new things I spotted while walking by here in the airport. So let's go in and check it out. I've just been given permission to film, and the first thing I saw was the Sequin Baguettes. Look at this. Is this not like a Fendi little mini or micro baguette? I think that is so super cute. Probably wouldn't hold a whole heck of a lot, but it is adorable. Here is the bigger size. I don't know if the bigger size also comes in silver or not. I can check the website before I put out this video so you know the answer. It has a nice back pocket. It is a little tight. There is a decent amount of room inside, at least as much as that Bandit Crossbody I showed you. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this little cutie. So of course, no phone is gonna fit in here, but you could definitely fit a larger key fob, cards, and lipstick for sure. And probably a few little emergency items like tweezers, a nail file that was short, hand sanitizer. I just think that one is so much cuter than the bigger one, but the bigger one does also come in silver. I missed the black, so for me this is better than patent because it's not going to get fingerprints all over it. As far as the mini goes, I love the silver the best. So I've showed you recently some sales on these Bandit Crossbodies. These are just like the faded blue one that I did an unboxing review on. And then of course here is the larger size. For size comparison, you can see the difference between the Bandit Crossbody and the regular size Bandit. This is a beautiful, I think it's called Deep Plum if I remember right. Here's kind of a wall of tabbies. This is an interesting finish. I love this shade of green. It reminds me of my Gucci Marmont camera bag or small shoulder bag, depending on what you want to call it in terms of the color. And I like the embossed C's in the patent leather. We also have a couple other tabbies. At the top you can see an ivory and a black soft tabby. Of course I have the ivory. At one time I had both of those pillow tabbies, but I've decided that pillow tabbies are not my jam, at least not for the moment. You never know what might happen in the future. Here's a black on black soft tabby. I know I've seen this before, but it's been a bit since I've seen it. It's a very nice looking bag, although I do worry about the hardware chipping on that C especially, and these little clips and rings. Here is the new Idol bag. It has a non-detachable chain and then another strap as well that's inside. The chain is longer than the one you can buy separately, at least it feels longer to me. And then the opening, let's see if I can figure this out. The opening is a strong magnet, and it opens up to two relatively generous compartments for the size of this bag. I'm impressed with the amount of space inside. Then it also has this front flap pocket as well that you could easily slide a phone in, I believe. I'm gonna slide mine in real quick and see. So I slid my phone in and it fits in that front pocket and doesn't leave any dents on the outside of the bag. And here it is in the dark stone color. I really like those. I'm not sure about the C being quite so big. I wish that this was detachable, but I love my chains, so that really wouldn't bother me too much. The only thing is I'm just not super into structured bags. Here is the Lana or the Lana bag, and in some ways this reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Atlantis bag, but it's better because it actually has some unique design features to it, and it doesn't just look like a shopping bag. And it's made out of leather, and I think it's put together better. It feels better. The Atlantis just felt cheap to me. Here it is on me crossbody, and even though the handles are upright, they're not really bothering me. They're soft, and I feel like this is a decent sized bag. So this is the Mira bag, and this chain is actually detachable, as you can see here. I love this. It is so comfortable. It's really, really soft to the touch. It's a very smooth, it feels like gloved tan leather. I'm gonna show you the inside. It also comes in the black with the silver hardware, and as you can see, there's a little dangly C on the zipper pull, which is adorable. I love how smooth the zipper is, and if you look inside, it looks like it would really hold a substantial amount. It opens easily, spreads open easily the way that the zipper is designed. And again, the strap is detachable. I think the links are a little smaller than the ones you get when you buy the chain separately, but actually by a fair amount. We do have plenty of clearance with the chain that's on this bag here if I want to wear it as a shoulder, and it is pretty comfortable. Here are the current winter sale items. You can see we have some pillow Madisons, some willows. There's a little Carry crossbody in there. It looks like it's in green. Got some tabbies with the woven detail. And then as we move up, a few odds and ends, including Bandit and I believe a denim, field tote, and that about does it. The last thing I want to show you is the Cassie in the deep gray color, which I think is stunning compared to the black color. We've recently found this color on sale, actually both colors on sale. This is an absolute classic, but this is such a pretty gray, and I wanted to show it with my hand, which isn't the prettiest hand, but just so you could get a color reference for how it looked against my skin anyway. And plus I have like a heathered gray top on, so you can see it does have some blue undertones, but it definitely does look gray, especially whenever my shirt's not up against it. So I forgot to mention I'm in Salt Lake City at the airport waiting to fly home. I've been in Hawaii. I just wanted to stop here at Coach and give you a quick tour since I saw it. I'm Erin and I am the Handbag Housewife, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day.